Okay, folks, something weird just happened. Get my jacket on. My Kiddie smoke alarm just beeped, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it just beeped. I was in the hot living room and my smoke detector just beeped. Why is this thing doing this? This is the only one that I have hooked up and it's beeping. I heard beep! It only beeps once. Like that. It's beeping. It's weird. Huh. It does that sometimes. It'll just beep out of nowhere. So I don't know why it's doing that, but it is. It's not a chirp or nothing. It's like a beep. Whatever, I guess. I don't know.